Welcome to our channel. If you want to add employees to your Clover POS system and set up individual staff accounts with specific permissions, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete employee management. Step 1. Turn on your Clover device and log in using your owner or administrator credentials. Step 2. From the main menu, tap on Employees or navigate to Setup, and then select Employees. Step 3. Tap on Add Employee or the plus icon to create a new employee account. Step 4. Enter the employee's basic information, including their first name, last name, and email address if applicable. Step 5. Create a unique 4-digit PIN for the employee. This PIN will be used by the employee to log into the POS system and clock in for shifts. Step 6. Assign a role to the employee by selecting from options like Employee, Manager, or Admin. Each role has different permission levels. Step 7. Configure specific permissions for this employee. Choose what functions they can access, such as processing refunds, applying discounts, or accessing reports. Step 8. Set up the employee's wage information if you're using Clover's time tracking and payroll features. Enter their hourly rate or salary. Step 9. Add any additional details such as employee ID, phone number, or custom fields that your business requires. Step 10. Save the employee account by tapping Save or Done. The employee can now use their PIN to log into the Clover system. Step 11. Repeat the process for each additional employee you need to add to your system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.